Alright, so I've been to like 7 places. Well, I was looking for beef ribs, you know, for that other video. But in the meantime, I went to Home Depot, and I hate to, but I went to Walmart and a couple other places. I could not find strawberries. You're not going to find strawberry seeds. You got to find strawberry plants. So I go into this one. I spent 4 hours driving around all these places. There's somebody over there in the next door yard. Shh. So the only thing I found was this. 2 of them. $10. And they got 7 strawberry plants in them. I thought, you know what? That's less than $2 a piece. You can't get no better than that. Yeah. So anyway, so what I'm gonna do, and you'll see this in my upcoming videos, you'll see this growing because it's right here. Yeah. So let's do this. Oh crap. I need my spatula. Alright, so plant number 1, we're going to just go right in here. Put that baby down in that hay. Just like that. We'll be watering this thing down. Here's number 2. We're going to put that sucker in right here. Looks like we got 14 of them. Alright. You know what's going to be really cool about this? In the background on my videos, we're going to see this baby grow strawberries. You know, you'll be able to see it without me even talking about it. And you go, yeah, Papa, look at those strawberries growing. The girls come out here and they'll be hanging down there and they'll be picking them off of there and popping them in their mouths. That's right. Or is that just a... You know what I mean. Let me get the rest of these on here and I'll take that camera off that tripod and bring over here and I'll show you from a different angle what Papa did. Yeah. We'll be back. Check that out. Ain't that cool? Okay, let me bring you out. Hang on. That is awesome. Awesome. So this video, yeah, there's some dirt mixed in there and shoved down in there, and the rest of it's hay in an old gutter. And we're gonna see how these puppies play out. If you stay up with Papa Texas, you're gonna see that in the background. That's right. You know what? If you want some good food tips and garden and entertainment, subscribe to Papa Texas, hit that dinner bell. Share the video. Yeah. Alright, I've had too many blue teas. Sorry about that. But anyway, that is awesome. Dan, Home in the Sticks, I'll leave his link down below. I just did on a couple of videos ago, but he has an awesome channel, and he had a gutter over here and he moved it over here and got the strawberries in it. And when he said I had it over there, I was like, oh yeah, I remember that. I've been with you that long, buddy. Anyway, he's an excellent channel to enjoy. Entertaining too. My mama thinks he's entertaining. Not as much as Papa though. Anyway, it's Papa. Papa Texas. See ya. Get your garden on, get your strawberries on. This sucker's gonna work. Yeah.